The Dow Jones just made a move that has Wall Street buzzing. But what does it really mean for your money? If you've got stocks, a 401k, or you're just curious about the market, this is the update you can't miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we break down big financial news in simple language, so you know exactly what's going on. First, let's quickly break down what the Dow Jones actually is. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, or simply the Dow, is a stock market index made up of 30 of the biggest and most influential companies in the US. Think names like Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, and Boeing. When you hear that the Dow is up or the Dow is down, it means the overall value of these 30 companies has gone up or down. Dow Jones today. What's happening? As of today, the Dow Jones has shown some interesting moves. It opened slightly higher this morning, following positive job reports. But then, midday trading saw a dip due to renewed concerns about interest rate hikes. Investors are closely watching the Federal Reserve as inflation numbers remain a hot topic. Some key stocks like Amazon and Microsoft are helping to hold the Dow steady. On the other hand, airline and energy stocks took a hit due to rising oil prices. So what does all this mean? Why should you care? Even if you're not trading stocks every day, the Dow's movement impacts your retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, mortgage rates, and credit card interest. Even the overall economy and job market. When the Dow is stable or rising, it usually means confidence in the market. Though when it drops sharply, that could signal economic trouble or uncertainty ahead. What experts are saying. Many analysts are predicting short-term volatility, but long-term growth as the economy stabilizes. They're advising people to stay calm, diversify their portfolios, and not make emotional decisions based on daily market moves. Final thoughts. The Dow Jones is like a heartbeat of the economy, and today's pulse tells us we're in a moment of careful balance. So stay informed, stay calm, and always think long-term when it comes to your money. Outro. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-understand financial updates. Got questions about the market or want us to explain something else? Drop it in the comments.